ama kwa ba kesi memra Adom team so Adom team so be dwumadi so dia wo kesi on sempa esa kana no pensu ja me de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and amazing kunya na me kono kwanten kwadin sema do esa kana no pensu bio e wo Ghana gudim eja ka kire busuafo namfofo oyere oma wo fasefo na nanam ukrum ne mprafo nyina se prof enya abegine ma ye dia wo kensi on sempa esa kana no pensu eja eye nwumako mienu omadama omna bo miskadwete me na no peden common ebro Richoku Mr. This is the spiciest sports morning show ohwese ne ma ACT a yede eye akokansi on sempa 8 sabro na opese o spicy day na afi so kwa no hye ne kamade a Richoku ana betia sabo a renewed energy and vitality ana all started in dia Richoku betia boa emwanya ne right Richoku ne oketwa yo adentem na afi obode no so ha setimi ka betia sabo papa ne ma me nkwala e wo fie obi anso ensa betia san ka bi efo ne bo no eda fam obetimi akoso one enjoy Richoku no start today right in the Ghanaian way sanso ana game park games boys dia edi chacha na sentem no ebura adwene ne ntiase so na mum game park games so mhye so go come dia ba o dial star 946 hash na all networks no select just 4 numbers from 0 to 9 na odi etwa bi easy to play and easy to win call www.gameparkgames.com na for ne penfo ni sa so honum eno pa ho a wo hwese na hye ni city dia draw no eba thrice a day na sa no pa best no nkron na ba 12 pm sa ba 6 pm so etime ba dwada enkopim ko sede nti betime di chacha throughout the week na from Monday to Sunday na boa emaniama akoyi ediama ka game park games a ose more mula more power and yedi wa dance dia children regulated by the National Lottery Authority and afei so kwa wadi eni mu fini twɛ fa ho nyim esanse bet diwa na chacha diwa wadwene betia bom utim betia hyehye wani so betia puru so kura eni timi srew e na de adwene kakra etimi asato we mo omadama wo mo na etachira aboa mena no penso yede agokansi won sempa yesa kan so etimi jaw na wo husina niama esi elko e won hyehawdo a eno so etimi sa piem no yensha sentem paso fan komo no so etimi senja na afi hwesina niama esi kwa Euro 2024 qualifiers no go so course den pa France for Ireland 2024 qualifiers no obamu a na matches a etimi sa todwa uninterrupted Cyprus beton so the first Scotland Ukraine and England and the boss na for Estonia and Sweden and so Asia kan but momentum tom e the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana on the Central African Republic and NRA African Cup of Nations 2023 one more 8 minutes in time so na sa case in Basu Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium Mohamed Kudus and itime boa magana nya one goal sa case na fe NS Nyama and so 8 poso atene ba ku ewie no 90 minutes na 2-1 against Central African Republic for na hwese na highlights no esitie.
It is Kudus though, and it's found its way in. There is the equaliser. Whether percentage play or not, it was Kudus who took the free kick. Lembe easily equal to it, but winning the ball back again here, and the referee hasn't whistled. And there is the winner. That is surely game over. And it is the substitutes combining. Semenyo finding Ernest up here. Ghana lead 2-1. And it's surely now on their way to the AFCON finals. Celebration.
Coach Chris Hilton, Black Stars of Ghana. Coach Eden Nkomo Betia Samba. But before then, Yanko Patrick Osajman, countryman Sungo ho na yehwet Sungo stick. Any fiada no pay Nkoma Sungo Eddie Eba. Hello Sungo.
You're fantastic morning, Professor.
Yeah, come on.
But say when you a cup of TV, loma. Maybe the cup of TV that Badwam.
Oh, okay.
Because of the horror show, our blasters put you up. You understand? When make us a horror show, I mean, let's not celebrate about CBI qualify for AFCON. There's nothing to celebrate. You see, I wish goes here we cry. The last goal Ghana say, if not free kick, I will say you're offside. That is the way I'm saying it. But if you are referee, in a different way, if it is not a free kick, I say semenya a pia nipano. You understand? And sana, if not free kick, next offside the mommy sana Nuama bought Sabona tonight, but. The team Nankasa Blasters performance, you understand? It's not up there in New York. And we team now even says swinging their passes together to create chances, in New York. formation a umogo akoye say 1-1 individual brilliance be na ama blasters enya bibi. We should see, we also move the handwork of the coach. Say coach, system of play be boys in a bar who say yes. I mean system of play ni goals in macrana umo ball fair it major cap. The same thing. You ball to be the yanyadi near found one qualified near call AFCON. The last time you call AFCON. I mean that time you see a Ghanaian boys are almost a wabu tree. They don't call Cameroon much back to match, no more. The same thing, and the Yabo qualifiers. Ghana qualified for African Cup. They are 4 times AFCON. And you qualify more than 20 times. Qualification is your problem. A basic at the coach be our big coach blasters. But the tournament, see about AFCON, you could have solid team. You understand? Solid technical team. They know what they are doing. Omo Baba who say yes. I mean, formation properly. Ghana midfielding yet. Ghana goalkeeper with that goal post in Ghana. At Tizigino and Rano. So goalkeeper yet and no go in America. Onye goalkeeper will beat me the Ghana call AFCON Project Cup. Onye tournament goalkeeper. Goalkeeping department will problem. Defense. Problem. Defense. Blasters concede all the time. Almost all the time. Almost concede. With the anything you call tournament, you hear from me away. Blasters, defenders, a problem. Midfielders, grady and yepra. It is a and a Ghana or midfield away, and a Ghana or midfield away, and a Ghana or midfield away. Some midfielders know, Umubesia, Umutimori. Passes in court, and my strikers, maybe who said strikers in the dear Umbitinyae. You understand? Team Melody, bad selection. Influential selection, say agency selection, say official selection. Mumium players based on merit. Yen fusion, coach in fusion, team need here massive improvement. And Zania Cote d'Ivoire. See a quack ede, ye quack bo AFCON. I mean, let's see a best the same group stage now. Yen to me film, ye very group stage. A Ghana black ball, you share and no peony, you say, national team near and yet no credit, shaby. National team no improvement in ending blasters, or mobile money, your fair and Hokikan, and my own, he said, Team Wady, or Moko tournament on Majaka. And Nidian Abba, Ediama, so called football people. Any sports ministry, so much outrageous budget, Beko, Cote d'Ivoire, AFCON, no Marco Jetas PS money, no Madi. Blasters are as no much taxpayers' money at the any gen Abama woman. And need woman a woman yati, woman said Ghana said he supported several park, Omo you go, but woman yati no a so called football people. Because Omobafa blasters, woman sports ministry, no more the taxpayers' money or tournament do Marco resources still no much is got the taxpayers' money a moment. Can you say they should be worried about the team? Team way a call AFCON and our performance way from blasters call AFCON. You bet you crowd just your bet we crowd it will be abesebi out of the group will be abesebi. But I see a call and say much about Ukraine. Yeah, Professor, no credit and a bakupe. No, if you ball on boy on any country bia kakrebia no who yet in Central African Republic biano and Canada obey Ghana film. Which I think that would have been the best way because you better call up for our Korea, say taxpayers' money there. We need to say your best, team no, and yet, and no mushebi. Mummy can ye na blasters no, omo enya much improvement. And yes, sir, after no, you better Korea. Me and no, born no more maternity horror show, a horror football na blasters for the boy. Almost to me pass the balls together to create chances. Midfield in your goalkeeper with blasters. On to me via tournament, me and that goalkeeper no yari. And you're born about to come and when you're people. But your talent will what? Munyan to your boy say, near so called football people need blasters technical team into what say. Or mining Omuya Jumamay. They should bring us the best of players because Ghana our talent now. You bet me a boys, ye, I'm going to compete. Na sa team way enya ba yi team way say no ball we kwana me e ma me ka say ye kwa fa ye nya hwiu throughout the qualification na ye ntimi mo boy ye nya de but I say ye di din na me Ghana after only qualifying here is in the Maya but ye could do na ye lucky and I see ntimi nya trophy no ye could do any away and Dorsey ye worried about that and then say you qualify to go and add up to numbers near coach taxpayers money 1 p.m. live and ne fire for fire as usual fireman mesa tiejina Adom TV no so 1 p.m. na me Ghana for omumbe obi ameka no kure emo coach ni so called football people ni sports ministry omu nyina hu se mo mani nyese ya qualify omu ko di Ghana siga wa could be AFCON but rather team the year and also more first team na ye omu team na ye more fire
nti Patrick Osajman country man Songo ejani we Songo stake ana odi ebeja na no team sampa mu ehyepa Blasters of Ghana no performance no na anwene nesen e wodwumadi a edi mu team se Central African Republic for no mia am ho kakra nka omu etimi twifa Ghana Force but eti ema yetia qualify for African Cup of Nations la Côte d'Ivoire ana dwumadi no ebetua saba so yeto aso dia Chris Hilton after the game e bon komo kakra e de fa Jordan Pierre ayo ho.
Yes, we could have done better first half, I think maybe in our possession and I think probably once we got into the final third we could have been a little bit more clinical, but sometimes you have to wait for the game to open out a little bit to be able to use them spaces. So for me it's always about the ending. The ending is that we won the game. I think in the end we could have won it more comfortably with more goals. So we continue to work. In international football you don't have the players for very long and the squad can change from one game to the next. So but you do the best you can in the period of time that you have.
It doesn't go the way you want, you know, and you can go 1-0 down but we still have 70 minutes to play and you know never have to give up. That would be my way of thinking and you know I try to transfer it to the boys. And 1-0 down, I was still confident, you know, because sometimes you struggle to get in the game and it's a bit difficult, things are not going your way, but you still need to keep pushing. And even before the game, I told them that even if we go 1-0 down, we need to keep pushing because if we get the first goal, we win the game. And that's what happened, you know. And that is football, that's the beauty of football, it's full of emotions. And, you know, we're proud that we're qualified because it wasn't easy and, you know, the most important thing was to qualify.
As regards what work needs to be done, it's about trying to get as much progress as possible. And I go back to what I did say. One difficulty always in international football is you know the change of squad, and you've only got to look at this squad for today. And I think we had certainly five players that would have either been sort of close to playing or you know are key players that are missing from the squad. So it is about getting as much time as we can. Thankfully, we have another 5 games before AFCON. We have a wonderful tournament in USA, 2 very difficult games, and it will be a real good opportunity to grow.
Coach Chris Hilton, Black Stars head coach, and after the game, no. Omo concentrate for ishi wode san komo etwen san to Jordan Pierre ayo enso etwen san kopi mo but Chris Hilton say ohwe nim sinyame adoma Ghana 2 important games United States of America and US for na any Mexico for so etwen san bo sa game no obetian san bo ama team na etwen jele mutwumadi a egusu di but Central African Republic for omo coach say Raul Sayo ono so edne komo etwen san to na Raul Savo na nsema o kan say referee ogina mu edi akensi no uhwesene ne City a owia almost Central African Republic for ye papa unim unshare we bia say salary finida
because they fight the whole game and yeah, we don't deserve to lose tonight. I think the draw will be more fair because well, okay, you are qualified, you win 2-1, but you cannot be proud of your team because this team is not playing football. So we play football, we are far better than you guys, I think, especially in the first half. Okay, we concede this 1-1 just before the break, and then in second half we push because for us it was no no solution. We have to score the second goal to qualify. Then we made some changes that we take risk to score the second one and then qualify. For, of course, at the end, the result is not very important. As I said, I think if you see the whole game, we have to finish this one with a 1-1 draw, and that's it. You qualify, guys, but we don't lose. And I think the second goal is offside clearly. But okay, we know that the referees, we know that it was my yes, I was thinking that the referee will help you guys, but he did it. Because they fight the whole game. And
Inti Raoul Savoy ana otene kaso de nkomo 18 sajo ya qualify but eni montwo wada say uhwese na Mexico so ase yanka sakra cheda nya de yenim say second goal no kwan eyawi ana etime san pm e wa kenzi kese etime san to jana kai say scorer no 1-1 we ene Raoul Savoy ne nkomo a ode atudwa Central African Republic for one head coach no but yenko former Ghanaian footballer Yao Preko ene oy coach ono so observations ka cry for game no ni odija edi
best though we know they can do better. We know they can do better. Even though the most important is to qualify. They are qualified. But Ejuma there, I believe from now till January there, the coach, the technical team will work on the players and make sure they work on the team and then make sure they prepare a very solid team for the tournament in Cote d'Ivoire. It wasn't one of our best though. We know.
Inti ya Preko ya rush and a manable samane efeno on our tenant castle so edin observations of blasters against Central African Republic no Asia. My main founsia na mena wase me so pe sister Sunday be a guy no kwenya meni menei otim sampa waje ni je for campaign ni bi up and down a just say pa nti obey enyi wani ntu ba bia ka kire busuafo ne nafofo oyere oma wo fasefo na nanu kunu nyina se Adom TV so ebe de more sister Sunday be a guy in terms of intimate dey agisi bia wotafro abatwe game park games any sisasa nku ni timensa bai boys dia AD chacha na nyansem ketwa kram so star 946# all networks facility 4 numbers from 0 to 9 na odi atwitwa bi na boa manema etia kwedi ama on daily basis na Adom TV air draw no 8 meba na Monday to Sunday ntia pa de no nkron 12 pm and 6 pm daily and draw no 8 meba ntwen dia no pa obetimi de anwum awia wani awia nso a obetimi de anwumre na boa ma osika dwete wonsem so etia kwe kan game park games a ose more mula and afi so more power and omodi aba regulated by the National Lottery Authority and omodi sanction so kwe 8 meja me so isu so no hye no so ma me say richoku me patcho emu de pa obetimi de so hye no obetimi so edi insonyu etia sambon richoku eboa amanya the right nourishment ema the statue day no ye waketwa ho ye wadantem anafe obode so ha eboa ma manfo so dwumadi a omodi anopa bia no nyama etia kwe on the spiciest air television sports show anopa bia no ana ye de richoku present edi ama modenda so sabitia kebe boneda fam go ahead enjoy richoku and start your day right the Ghanaian way. We mo and sponsors some techri boa emena no penso ye de agokensi won sempa nsaka ejao. Within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi cash back ope. The only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports, the Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter and the of course Friday morning. So agokensi won sempa nsaka etimijao. The act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.